Well, hi everyone! Welcome to another language lesson with me, Lingo the Language Bot. What are we going to learn about today? Let's find out! What is she doing? What is she doing? She's laughing! She's laughing! What is he doing? What is he doing? He's coughing. He's coughing. What is this? It's a light. It's a light. What is this? It's nighttime. It's nighttime. What is the same about all of these words? Ah, that's it. They all have the letters G and H. But there's something very strange. Listen. Night. Light. Cough. Laugh. Ah! In the words night and light, the GH is silent. When the GH is in the middle of the word, it's often silent. Night. Light. Ah, but when the GH is at the end of the word, like laugh and cough, we often say the GH has an F sound, like aha. Now listen and repeat. Night. Night. Light. Light. Daughter. Daughter. Fight. Fight. Very good. Ah, these words have a f sound. Now listen and repeat. Laugh. Laugh. Some people in the UK say laugh. Laugh. But I say laugh. Cough. Cough. Enough. Enough. Very good. Now you try. Let's look at this word. The letters G, H in this word, are they silent? Or do they sound like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, night. The letters G and H in night are silent. We don't say the sound. Night. Very good. What about this word? The letters G and H in this word, are they silent or do they sound like? What do you think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done! The letters G and H in cough sound like? Very good. And this word? What about this word? The letters G and H, are they silent or do they sound like? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Laugh. They sound like. The letters G and H make a sound. Fantastic. The letters G and H in this word, are they silent or do they sound like? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Daughter. Very good. The letters G and H in daughter are silent. Fantastic. Well, it's time for me to go, but thanks for watching and I hope you learned something today. Join me, Lingo the Language Bot, next time for another lesson. Okay, bye. See you next time.